Good morning. All right, I'm out here at 11:30 a.m. Today's gonna be a skate day. Gonna go street skating with my homie Hans and his friend Kohei. I'm currently late though, so I hope they don't mind. Yeah, so this is gonna be my first street skating vlog because as I mentioned before, I don't really love street skating in Tokyo. It's pretty difficult. It's not like as much of a sesh as street skating in the States is. There are spots, but it's not the same. Like for example, in the States you might get warmed up at a skate park or a one of those spots that's just like pretty good for getting warmed up at because there's like not a kick out, got a nice flat ground, ledges, that kind of thing. But there's not a lot of stuff like that in Tokyo. The ground's pretty bad pretty much everywhere, and the parts where the ground's not bad, it's a bust. Like everywhere in Tokyo is pretty much a bust immediately. It's a very congested city. Every square meter is basically housing, so every spot you're skating is either someone's front driveway or a place that has security like right there. A lot of security. So yeah, but we're gonna see how today is. We're meeting at Kayabacho station. I haven't really skated street around there before. I'm late. I suck.
No, I get lazy when I'm told I go down this road, and I made it when I'm sat on the train this long. But it's crazy how I'm old and I'm still so young. Now I'm seeing a girl, said you're meeting a boy. Now I'm seeing the voices in my head. I don't mean to imply, you just needed a toy, and it's always a crisis anyway. I don't need your sorry, I got my hands on your body. Why? It's only 4:30, I lost my soul in your story. Now I'm seeing a girl, said you're meeting a boy. Now I'm seeing the voices in my head. I don't mean to imply, you just needed a toy, and it's always a crisis anyway. She said I will, cause I'm nothing. He said only when you come around. Said see, cause we go crazy like we used to know. And you think you're so damn perfect. So we bought time in a long line, and it's alright, so don't cry. And the gold rings, small things, the feeling don't know me. I'm crazy, so don't hate me. I'm erasing all the daydreams. I don't love you, but I love you, and it's all true, you just go through. Now I'm seeing a girl, said you're meeting a boy. Now I'm seeing the voices in my head. I don't mean to imply, you just needed a toy, and it's always a crisis anyway. She said I will, cause I'm nothing. He said only when you come around. Said see, cause we go crazy like we used to know. And you think you're so damn perfect. She said I will, cause I'm nothing. He said only when you come around. Said see, cause we go crazy like we used to know. And you think you're so damn perfect.
Use the blood on your hand to lubricate it.
Yeah, true.
Fucking with my heart like, ooh, don't really see another sign yet. Just on the way, I'm missing you when you were like that. I don't really give a fuck about it anyway. I miss you when you're gone, but I hate it when you stay. No, I see the writing on the walls, yeah. Think I'm too young to see my mind, and when it falls down, I see the pieces and I sweep them all away. I miss you when you're gone, but I hate it when you stay. I can push off all the heartbreaking insecurities. Lord, you to me, not so sure of it. Is it a weakness? You miss me, don't cry. This mental suicide. Go away now and don't lie. Just please go down and hide. Ooh, don't really see another sign yet. Just on the way, I'm missing you when you were like that. I don't really give a fuck about it anyway. I miss you when you're gone, but I hate it when you stay. No, I see the writing on the walls, yeah. Think I'm too young to see my mind, and when it falls down, I see the pieces and I sweep them all away. I miss you when you're gone, but I hate it when you stay.
But yeah, we've managed to have a pretty freaking good session so far. Moral of the story is, don't go downtown when you're skating Tokyo. There's a lot of rivers and a lot of river sides. And not only do they have lots of good spots, but they're also like not really a kick out. Like a lot of the reason why stuff is a kick out is because, like I said earlier, it's like residential. So people call the cops on you real quick because they live right there and they're making too much noise. Or it's a like office building and the security is out front of every office building. So, but when you skate near the river, there's really nothing like close enough to us where people would be bothered or any offices or anything. So you can actually get a session.